Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a kind old woman named Granny Mabel. She was known far and wide for her delicious sweet porridge. Every morning, Granny Mabel would wake up early and start cooking her famous porridge. She would stir the pot, adding just the right amount of sugar, cinnamon, and a pinch of love. One day, a little boy named Timmy wandered into the village. He was lost and hungry. As he walked, he caught a sweet and comforting scent in the air. Following the smell, Timmy found himself standing in front of Granny Mabel's house. He peeked through the window and saw her stirring a pot filled with golden porridge. Timmy's tummy rumbled, and he knocked gently on the door. Granny Mabel, hearing the knock, opened the door with a warm smile. "Hello there, little one," she said. "I see you've found my sweet porridge." Timmy shyly asked, "May I have some, please?" Granny Mabel, noticing his hunger, scooped a big bowl of porridge for Timmy. Timmy sat down at the table, and Granny Mabel joined him. They ate the sweet porridge, sharing stories and laughter. Timmy felt warm and full, and for the first time in a long while, he felt happy. When they finished eating, Granny Mabel gave Timmy a hug. "Now, little one," she said, "you must find your way home. But remember, whenever you're lost or hungry, my door will always be open." Timmy thanked Granny Mabel and left the village, feeling grateful. From that day on, he always remembered the warm bowl of sweet porridge and the kind woman who shared it with him. And as for Granny Mabel, she continued to cook her delicious sweet porridge, welcoming all the lost and hungry children who wandered into her village. The story of the warm bowl of sweet porridge became a legend, and it reminded everyone that kindness can warm even the coldest heart.